Hi, I'm Allie Gill.
And I'm Jason Gill.
We're Norwex Independent Sales Consultants. Today we're going to show you a real quick demo about the kitchen cloth, which is this size, and the kitchen towel, which we'll show you in a minute. The kitchen cloth is perfect for cleaning up crumbs. It has a different weave. I'll show you up close. It actually has little ridges in it where crumbs can be collected. And I have, it's hard to see in the video, but I have a pile of crumbs from my toaster. So I'm going to show you how effortlessly it picks them up. Now, you can see they're all trapped in the little channels. And all you have to do is rinse this off under hot water, rubbing the edges together, and all the crumbs will fall right out. And you can hang it up to dry and use it again after you wring it out. Now I'm going to show you the kitchen towel. The kitchen towel is the same weave as the kitchen cloth, but it's substantially bigger. We like to use this to dry our dishes that we hand wash and to dry our hands on in the kitchen. I'm going to have Jason put this in 1 cup of water, and you're going to see how absorbent it is. It will soak up all of that water. So it's a very thirsty towel. And there you go. Completely empty. It's all in there. It's not even dripping. So this is a necessity as well as this in your kitchen. Thank you so much.